Hi there, today I'm going to show you how I did this cool face paint and makeup of Jiraiya from Naruto, or Edo Senin as some people might know him. This version of him is a female version. If you have watched Naruto, then you might be familiar with the sexy no jutsu. Don't forget to leave a comment and a like to support my hard work as an artist and help me make this channel grow. So if you'd like to know the step-by-step of this face paint and makeup, then keep on watching. That's it for this makeup. I hope you enjoyed watching it. My other videos are gonna go here. Once again, thank you for watching.